I'm so scared. Oh my god. I want to make note that I've been avoiding this all day, so I actually have postponed this video for the past 3 days because I've been terrified of even touching the material because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know what to say. I'm so nervous. Got my water because it's about to be a long night. And some popcorn so I don't get hangry. What's up, penguins? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Peng and I was a former 2012 honorary team captain for Canada, honorary team captain for Canada, and a former UCLA Bruin. Today on my channel, I thought we would just put ourselves under some stress today and bring out Bertha here. Big Bertha is a sewing machine. You're probably wondering, Peng, what are we doing today? Peng, why is there a sewing machine on the desk? Peng, you're a gymnast, you're not a sewer. Is that the right word? I don't know. But I've gotten this request a lot. People have asked me to make my own leotard. So that is exactly what we're gonna do today. I'm a little nervous because I have not used Big Bertha here for a very long time. Backstory. I got Bertha on my 13th birthday. I wanted to learn how to sew a dress. It would be fun to get a leotard and recreate it. Ooh, the thought thickens if it's not hard enough to make a leotard. So I went through my closet and I actually found an old Canadian national team leotard. Let me pull it out for you. Ta-da! So cute! This probably won't fit me anymore because I think I wore it when I was 12. But I figured it was simple-ish. There's only 2 colors. Rhinestones are pretty simple. It looks like a pretty basic pattern to me. So I thought it would be the easiest leotard to recreate, but I wanted to add my own flair to it. So I went to the store and bought what I thought was leotard material. This was my attempt at last time. Some red fabric. Didn't know how much to buy, so I bought enough to make a flag. I'm not that big. Since they didn't have a white stretchy material, I decided to buy this really fun Canada fabric. It's not stretchy at all. So I don't know why I bought it, but I just thought it would be fun. Why not? And then some rhinestones. I forgot to buy the elastic for like this part. That might be too advanced for me anyway, so I don't think I should be putting elastics in here because we're basically just gonna make a plain leotard and see how it goes. So I'm going to try not to get frustrated because I'm very impatient and I want things to happen like that. So we're going to take our time and try and make this leotard in one night. I don't know why I decided to do this. Penguins! Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to press that bell button so you get notifications on when new videos come out. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we are going to start off with a base, like the leotard part. So I'm gonna try and measure myself because I don't have measuring tape. We're really doing this just free-handed. I had to YouTube how to put the string on this thing because I have not used it in so long, and hopefully it works. And I have a pedal at the bottom, but you can't see it, but you can hear it. Cool. Okay, let's measure myself. Seems about right. Okay, we're gonna take my finger and cut a straight line down here. Watch this just not be straight. Oh my god, what I do for YouTube videos. I don't know what I got myself into. 10 minutes later, I haven't even cut anything yet. I feel like I should fold my fabric, but again, it's so flimsy that I don't even think I can. Okay, here's the first snip. This is not straight. This is so bad. We're just gonna cut what I think is a straight line. Well, we're trying our best. This is going to be A for effort. Am I at the end yet? Why is this so long? Perfect. Okay, so look at the edges. Okay, so this is my leotard done. What if I just like wrapped it around? It came from the back. We're not gonna do that. And then where's the bottom of my body? So now we're going to cut another line, and that's going to be the basis of my bodysuit. This is a lot better than I thought. Yay! Okay, so this is the front of our leotard. Great! So exciting. This is awful. I think we should give ourselves a little neck. So why don't we cut that? We're going to fold this in half because this is what I learned in preschool. If you fold things in half and you cut it, it'll be symmetrical. This is so flimsy! Don't know how deep to go, so we're just gonna go for it. I think that's supposed to be my shoulders, so we'll pretty decent to me. Yeah, not bad. You see the little measurements are not looking bad, guys. Now we need to make legs. So we gotta cut out this part of the leotard. So I think my hips are about here. So if I fold it in half again, and then, which way do we cut? Then we're gonna cut upwards, like this way. So I'm gonna just leave a little room for my bathroom area. And these are the results. And we have a front of the leotard. Look at that. It's a little big, but I'm really proud of myself. Okay, so now we need to make the back. Now we're going to basically take this leotard, take my really long piece of fabric, outline the same thing that I have, but basically just make a rectangle so I can do the whole symmetrical cutting again. This material is so flimsy, I can't. This is a lot stiffer and easier to work with. This is where I should just not be a perfectionist. I'm not even a perfectionist, to be honest. Okay, I have a front, and now I need to make a back. Right now it's a square. Or a rectangle. How do I even shape the butt? I feel like that looks more like a butt. I feel like this looks more like a butt than the front. But that's okay, because we're new. We're just gonna wing it. I guess that could be the back. We're just gonna make it symmetrical, because I don't know how this works. Okay, we're gonna cut the neck. Beautiful. Boom, look at that neck. And these tiny little shoulders on the side for the butt. I think we're just gonna do the same thing that we did for the, ooh, or this might honestly be the front. Nope, it's fine. Completely fine. I think it's just easier if I just make it symmetrical, no matter if it's front or back. All I know in sewing is that if you sew it straight, when you turn it inside out, it'll look nice. That's the extent of my sewing. So we're going to sew these together and then turn it inside out. So we're gonna sew the shoulders together first. So I'm going to try and line up the shoulders together very gently, and they're not even, but that's okay. We're doing okay. This is so not even. I don't even know what the front is anymore. What is the front? What is the back? And if this material stayed, it would work well. We've lined up the two sides, and now we're going to sew. Cool. Do I even know how to work this thing? How do I get the thing down? I did it. We're just gonna try and go in a straight line here. Okay, it's working. Also, I got black string because there was black string already in it and I didn't know how to re-put it on. So we're not gonna touch it and we're just gonna do a black string leotard. Cool, yay. I really hope this turns out well. Highly doubt it. Lost the string. This is what happened last time and this is why I didn't do this. It just vanished. Poof, gone. Oh my god, I'm getting a neck cramp. I'm doing it! Oh my god, it worked! Yeah, get the shoulder. We're gonna do the other shoulder, and then we're gonna go along the side. So, I'll see you in a bit. I didn't even sew half of it. That was supposed to be attached. I completely missed the material. At least I'm making nice lines. I guess that's a positive. You gotta find your positives and not your negatives. Okay, well we have completed 2 of the straps. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little ratchet. Look, it's attached. Yay! There's little black strings hanging out of it. Now, we're going to do the sides and just sew the sides and sew the rest of this. And I'm gonna catch you guys later because this video is gonna be so long and it's uneven. Why is this uneven? I thought I cut it right. It might not be bad because it has to like loop around, right? I feel like I should make it even. Oh wait, I need to leave room for my arms. Oh, can you imagine if I just sewed the sides and had no room for arms? That would be bad. The string is not lined. The string is not lined. So here. I don't know what I'm doing. Just a casual YouTube video. If I actually got really good at this, would you buy my leotard? If I got really good at making leotards. This is just the beginning. Are there no holes? Did I do it? I did it! Look, 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 I'm so proud. We have half an attachment. I left this much room for my arm. That much. This. We're just gonna have small arms. I hope I don't run out of string because I won't know what to do with myself if there's no string. Oh, I'm just really going for it. Just going for it. Okay. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm sewing further loves me. Oh my god, I just made a leotard. Yes! Look at that beauty. If we were to put it inside out, boom! Oh my god, it actually looks really good. You can't really tell that there's legs, like where the legs go, but look at this. It's actually pretty decent. Okay, so because I'm gonna be lazy right now, we're going to make the short sleeve version of this because I don't feel like making the sleeves. I don't even know how to make sleeves. We're just gonna make a short sleeve version because I think I actually can be successful. I have a leotard. I need to cut this white part. So basically, just from the sleeve, like a little hammerneck, like that, like a diamond shape, or a diamond or swoosh or whatever. I think I just bought way too much material. But we're gonna line this up with my leotard. This is like a picnic table material. I didn't think this through either, because if I sew it onto the leotard, it's gonna sew the back of the leotard. So I should have sewed it from the beginning. What does this even look like? This is so not right. What the heck? Why is this so small? Something's not right. No. Yeah, I'm gonna redo this because I think it goes a little further. This is awful. To be honest, I might hand sew this. This material feels like it's crusty. Okay, so now that's what it looks like. I'm gonna hand sew this. Okay, this is the hardest part, putting the thread through the needle. Bertha Jr. That's what I do on my evenings by myself. So fun. This is so tedious. Okay, so you're gonna take your needle and you're going to take this piece of fabric and we're going to sew it on like so. But I'm going to start from underneath so that you can't see the stitching as much. It just seems, oh, this material does not like to be sewn. I literally think this material was meant to be for picnic tables. Okay, so I'm nearing the end of sewing this thing together and there's a little bit of ruching happening, like bunching basically. So I'm already over it and I'm cramping and I don't want to be here anymore. But anyway, so I think there might be a hole in here and I've really I went for detail at first and now I'm over it because it's been so long. So we're just gonna hurry this up a little. This is really testing my patience. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. It's not bad, right? It's a little bit of ruching. There's also some string action happening. Yeah. I did realize though that these things are on the opposite end, so I have this and that. That's okay, it's not bad. They have a little maple leaf in the middle, so I'm going to cut out a mini maple leaf. I don't know if you've ever drawn a maple leaf, but drawing a maple leaf is actually really hard, so I'm gonna try and draw it on here first and then cut it out. But I'm gonna cut a square first so it's easier. Just a real cash square. I don't care about precision anymore. This isn't that bad, but for sure it could be better. Do you see this? That is tragic. But we're gonna cut it anyways because I don't want to do another one. Oh, Canada. This is tragic, but it's okay because we're not maple leaf drawing experts. And this is my maple leaf. That is so ugly. That doesn't even look like this. Oh my god, what is that? This is a tree. Should I redo it? We gotta redo it. One arm is like not there. This is just bad. Is this video done yet? Why did I think this is a good idea? I don't know. Round 2, we're gonna draw it again. This was attempt 1 and this is attempt 2. Way better. Still not the best, but it's better. I'm about to hot glue this on because I'm so over sewing. I found a hot glue gun and now we're gonna plug it in. There is no near plug besides this wall behind this plant. It doesn't even reach my desk. This video is literally taking over 2 hours to do. Definitely did not want to be here for 2 hours. And then I'm going to glue you there. Wow, this looks great. I should have glued way before. Look at that, I got a maple leaf in the center. For the final step of my leotard, So I'm gonna see what this is doing. It's got a little line and then a little tail at the bottom. And I'm pretty sure there is glitter, it's adhesive, so I literally can just stick and glue. I need ice cream. These fake nails are not helping. I can't even get it off. Wait, these are not sticky. They lied. This might be my tipping point. What is this? This is not individual. You stick it on with a strip. What is this meant for? Why would anyone glue anything with a strip like this? Why? One. And then I have to clean up after. How did I do this to myself? No strategy. This is what's happening. It comes in the strip and it's falling off the strip, but that's the sticky part. Like it's coming off the line. Okay, we have done this part and that has rhinestones. So since this part is a little more intricate and my rhinestones don't want to come off because it literally just wants to come in a strip, we're going to strip and then just tail it. We got one line. It's gonna make it like a shooting star. Why not? Because I'm over this video. Beautiful, look at that shooting star. Look at it, great. I almost cut my nail. It's done. Et voila, we have a leotard. It's not bad, like it's a short sleeve version of this. This is what the leotard looks like up close. See, it's not bad. I don't hate it. There's string coming out of it everywhere, but that's okay. But at least we got the general shape. I didn't even eat my popcorn because I was so annoyed that I couldn't get this. But the final product, I have to try it on. A must, so we're gonna put it on. So to be completely honest, I'm really surprised I fit in it. It's really tight, but this is what a real leotard's supposed to look like. It's supposed to have a nice fit. It's really tight because it was when I was like 12. Whew. This one was made by Alpha Factor. You can see that it actually looks like a leotard because it is a leotard. So we're gonna try mine on now. Okay, this is my leotard. All my rhinestones are clearly coming off and I didn't make the arms big enough. Oh, I'm holding a rhinestone. Look, they're coming off. Do you see it? And I'm trying to like pull it at my arm, but I can't. The bottom looks kind of diapery. Yeah, the bottom's, we're not gonna show the bottom anymore. It's a diaper down there. It's not bad, it's kind of tight. I couldn't compete in this. Did you hear that? It just ripped. But I've added a little bit of flair to it. As you can see, there's string. And all the rhinestones are coming off. But I think it's a cute attempt. I tried. You can see that these things are off. This string also feels like hair. Okay, penguins, thank you so much for watching another episode. You saw me getting very frustrated and I'm over this video. So I'm about to leave and go get an ice cream bar because this kind of sucked, to be honest. But if you like this video, press the like button. Also comment below if you made your own leotard. If you have any tips for me, probably will make a new leotard, to be honest. Also comment down below on what you'd like to see me try or ideas for new videos. Just make sure to subscribe to my channel, please, and become a part of the penguin family. All right, well, I'm about to take this. My rhinestones! This is so sad. Cross it out. Well, penguins, thanks for watching. I'm gonna put it back on. At least it's got a cute over the shoulder. Yeah. Penguins, we'll see you next time.